because of the domestic violence.
Angelina Jolie drops legal action against FBI over claims Brad Pitt abused her on a private jet. Angelina Jolie has dropped her 2-year legal battle against the Department of Justice and the FBI over documents relating to abuse allegations she made against ex-Brad Pitt. Jolie, 49, had been pursuing anonymous court action as Jane Doe with the FBI, who investigated an alleged altercation between the duo on a private jet in 2016.
Family home. The federal government has jurisdiction. The marriage has gone.
Were investigated by.
She had been seeking documents from the FBI about their investigation into the allegations, filing a Freedom of Information Act request in 2021. Pitt, 60, was accused of pouring red wine and beer over his ex and one of the couple's children on a private plane, claims which he denies. The allegations were investigated by the FBI, but no charges were brought. Court documents obtained by In Touch show Jane Doe has dropped her action and informed the court of her decision on September 25.
Will pay their own. Angelina Jolie makes allegations of abuse against
an issue, to put it in a broader frame.
16 plane flight that we've heard
Both
about.
parties will pay their own legal fees. The FBI and the LA County Department of Children and Family Services had launched investigations into the alleged incident. But in November 2016, a FBI spokesperson declared no charges would be brought against Pitt. Details of the alleged incident first surfaced in August 2022, when a Freedom of Information court filing became public.
Were investigated by the FBI.
Negotiations between Pitt sold her half of the winery.
Documents state that Pitt had allegedly choked one of their children and struck another in the face. Jolie had also accused the Fight Club star of grabbing her by the head. The pair started a romance after co-starring in the 2005 movie Mr. and Mrs. Smith. They were married in August 2014 at their house in rural France, but their legal union lasted just 25 months.
Violence going on in the household.
Both parties will pay their own. Angelina Jolie makes allegations of abuse against
an issue.
Amid the collapse of their marriage, Pitt and Jolie also plunged into a rancorous custody battle over their 6 children, 4 of whom are now adults. They conceived 3 biological children, Shiloh, 18, and twins Knox and Vivian, 16, and also adopted Maddox, 22, Pax, 20, and Zahara, 19.
The federal government has jurisdiction. The marriage has gone.
Were investigated by the FBI.
Meanwhile, battle has also been joined over the couple's French vineyard, Chateau Miraval. Jolie sold her 50% stake in the Provençal winery in 2023. A move Pitt says was unlawful. Earlier this year, the Oscar winner claimed that Pitt had tried to make her sign an $8.5 million non-disclosure agreement to force her silence about her abuse allegations against him.
Investigated an alleged altercation between the
because of the domestic violence going on in the household.
Both parties will pay their own. Angelina Jolie makes
her legal team insisted that when she sold her half of the Chateau Miraval, she was not acting with malice and the intent to hurt Pitt in response to any custody ruling. That's what we can inform you. If the audience is satisfied with the information, don't forget to help us by liking, commenting, sharing and subscribing. For the support of all the viewers, we thank you.
That wanted it both as a family home. The federal government has jurisdiction.